Welcome everyone to Monmouth Park. This is Joe Christopher for America's Best Racing, Racing 101. If during the course of the afternoon today you have any questions about horse racing in general, or you want the best possible betting strategies that can help you win money at the races today, that's what we're here for. We have a racing hub tent set up. We have betting windows inside the tent. We have dry erase boards and markers, and we have some of the best experts in the game willing to teach you not only about the game of horse racing, but the best wagering strategies this afternoon that can help you win money at the windows. Come visit us, come say hi, come ask questions. Every question is a good question, and we look forward to talking to you.
I've learned pretty much everything. I've learned how to do like an exacta box. I even learned this partial wheel thing that I've never heard of before. I can walk up here, and sound like I know what I'm talking about.
As a racing novice, it's like, they have all these racing terms and I don't really know what they mean. So this, the basics of betting, Racing 101, it's perfect for someone like me.
With knowledge comes interest, with interest comes confidence, and with confidence comes more wagering.